In this lesson, we will learn what are string functions in C language. We will understand its usage and also see some examples. Let us start. So if you want to manipulate strings in C language, use the string functions. Using these functions, get the string length, copy one string to another, concatenate strings, and easily perform other operations. Manipulate and handle strings using the string.h library. So the string.h library is what we use in C to work with string functions. Just like you include any other header file on the top of the program, add string.h like this, #include string.h. Here are some of the most commonly used functions in C language to manipulate strings. Find the length of the string, compare strings, copy one string to another, concatenate strings, and perform other operations. Let us now understand these functions one by one. First, we will return the length of a given string. Let us see on VS Code. Here is our VS Code. We added all our codes in the Amit project folder. Let us create a new file. Right click, new file, demo63.c, and first we will find the length of the given string using the strlen function in C. Let us add the header file first. For strings, we use the string.h header file. I'll add the main function. So first, let us get the length. First, I'll take a string. Let's say I'll add my name. Okay, and I'll find the length of this string. To find the length, I can take a new variable len, and within that I'll mention string length, that is strlen function, and mention str in it. So this will calculate the length, which will be integer. So just print len now, length of the string, and it will be %d, right? Because length is an integer. Len, that's it. Return, and I'll run it. Right click, run, and here it is, length of the string is 10. In this way you can find the length. Now let us learn how to compare two strings. Right click, new file, demo64.c. So to compare two strings, use the strcmp function in C. Okay, I'll take the header file from here. Now let us take two strings. First I'll take str1, and then I'll take str2, and within this I'll add nothing. I'll keep it empty. I'll add a space for 10 characters but won't initialize it. We will compare this. Let us take a new integer variable, result, and using strcmp I'll compare both str1 and str2. Now this will return a number. If the result is 0, that means both the strings are equal, else it will display it is not equal. So for that, obviously we will use if statement, if else statement. So if the result is 0, that means both are equal. Okay, else Both are not equal. So that's it. Save, right click, run. What will be the output? Both are not equal. Here it is, both are not equal. So this method compared two strings and returned an integer. Now let us see the next function. Right click, new file, demo 65.c. We will copy one string to another using strcpy function. Add the header file and the main function. Here first we will take two character arrays, that means string. Okay, and then the second one, we have initialized the first to the string hello, and second we will keep empty, that is an empty character array. Now we will copy using strcpy. First mention the destination and then the source. So str1 will copy to str2, str2 after copying. Okay, right click, run. Here it is, str2 after copying, it's hello. It was empty but we copied. So using strcpy, we copied the data from one string into the memory of another string. The first one was destination, I told you, and the second one was the source. Now let us see the last example. Demo 66.c. We will concatenate two strings. Okay, using strcat. strcat function in C. Add the header files, string.h for the string functions and the main function. First we will take a character array, and here let's say I'll mention Amit. Okay, and then we will use the string concatenation. First mention the str, then what you want to concatenate. So I'll just concatenate my name. When I'll print, it will print my name. Percentage s for string and just print str. And now str will include the complete name Amit and Divan. This appends a copy of one string to the end of another. File, save, right click, run. Here the output is Amit and Divan. So I concatenated it. So in this way we can concatenate strings in C. In this lesson we saw what are string functions in C language. We understood some of the popular string functions with examples. Thank you for watching the video.